Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Okay, this is my favourite fish curry of all time. I think this is wonderful. We're using kingfish, which I love so much. It's a nice kind of steaky, kind of meaty fish. We've got coconut, we've got loads of spices. This is incredible. I don't really often say that, but this is an absolute winner. Really proud of this one. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so this is kingfish, nicely cleaned. We're going to slice that up. Okay, so you saw those lovely large fish there. Now what I've got here is some slices of it, some beautiful, nice, fairly thick slices of this lovely fish. It's really meaty and lovely. If you're not familiar with kingfish, then get yourself involved because it really is fantastic. So I've got there about 600 or 700 grams of fish in total. I've got half a cup of a sunflower oil or some sort of neutral type oil, and then 2 teaspoons each of salt, pepper, turmeric and chili powder. What we're going to do is we're going to get all that in there, give it a nice coating, and first fry this fish off. So wonderful. This is one of my favorite fishes, actually. Okay, very simply, you can see I've got the fish in there. I've got some steaks. I've also got that bit of towel there as well. So two teaspoons each of those 4. The oil, in that goes. You can see that I've got a sexy glove on. I'm going to get in there, mix that around and give it all a nice coating. Then we're off to the cooker. So I've got a skillet or a frying pan or whatever you want to call it. I've kept my glove on. Now we're going to go in with this fish. We're on an above medium heat. What we're going to do is fry this fish for about 4 minutes on each side. Really delicious. I love this. So in that goes, and then in goes the seasoned beautiful oil, all in there, above medium heat, 4 minutes aside. Fantastic. Okay, there you go, absolutely wonderful. That's fried and spiced nicely. We're now going to go back to the cooker and make this wonderful curry. Let me show you those ingredients. Now, by the way, don't throw the oil away from that fish, because that's what we're going to start the curry with, because it's got lovely flavour in it. Okay, so we've got here 1 pint of coconut milk. Now that's about, I think, 450 ml. 1 cup of onions. A few fresh green curry leaves. If you can get fresh curry leaves, they really are wonderful. If not, try and get dried. Green chilli, up to you. I've got kind of 6 regular sized green chilies in there. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. And in here we've got 5 powders, I think, maybe 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 actually. So we've got a teaspoon each of chili powder, coriander, turmeric, cumin, garam masala powder, and in the center we've got some green cardamom powder. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, I'm going to put the heat on. Now what I've got here, as you can see, I've got the oil from the fish, which is really beautiful. I don't want to waste that. And then I've got a tablespoon also of coconut oil, which I'm going to melt in there. Back in a moment. Beautiful. So we are on an above medium heat. I've just melted those 2 oils together. In go the 2 teaspoons of the cumin seeds and the curry leaves. A few seconds there. And then we're going to go in with 1 cup of onion. I'm going to add my chilies now as well. The amount, like I say, is really up to you. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We're going to have this done in absolutely no time. I'll be back in 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, beautiful. Now, look, our spices, 6 of them. I said 5, but it's actually 6. Teaspoon each. In the center, green cardamom, garam masala powder, chili powder, cumin, turmeric, and coriander. It all goes in. We're going to give it a nice mix now. Staying on this above medium heat. Really simple, fast curry this. And then we grab our coconut milk and we pour that in. To that we're going to add just a little bit of water, just like, you know, half a cup maybe, or 1/4 of a cup. We're then going to get our fish, we're going to introduce it back in there. This is fabulous. Then we're going to let it go for about 6 or 7 minutes. You've nearly done this, pretty much done. That is, for me, possibly, I think this is my favorite fish curry. Coconut, spicy, with kingfish. Okay, we're going to add some salt to taste. Don't forget there's plenty of salt already on the fish, so don't go crazy. Well, it's up to you, in fact, isn't it? Fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you're going to call that, you guys. Off goes the heat. That's done. It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. I don't say that often, but yeah, this is a winner. Yeah, I feel proud of that. I feel really, really proud of that. I can't wait to eat that. Have that with rice. Have that with some bread like roti, paratha. It's up to you. Either way, that is a winner, winner. Really, really delicious. So proud. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.